How's it going, everyone? My name is my name is, and here we go with my reaction for a new How Should Have Ended video for Birds of Prey. Let's get started. I don't know anything from this. It's owned by How Should Have Ended, so let's get started, see what we've got, and see how this movie should have ended.
They say, if you want to tell a story right, you gotta start at the beginning. Or you could just change the ending with a nitpicky video about it later on YouTube.
Yep. And the first masturbation of, okay, this is a long, yes, it's a long ass title. Let's just call it The Birds of Prey, How It Should Have Ended. Okay, good.
We lost the diamond.
What?
I'm really sorry, Mr. S. This
We
kid...
never even got our hands on it.
That's not true.
What?
Shut up. Yes, it is. Don't listen to her, boss. She's lying.
No, I'm not. I had the diamond, but this fool took it from me because he didn't trust me carrying it. Then he got himself pickpocketed by a little kid.
No, I didn't. Shut up.
So much. Victor, why would you do that? Why would you lie to me? I'm going to have to ask you to cut your own face off now.
But I don't want to.
Oh,
No.
I'm sorry, buddy. But you don't have a choice.
Oh.
Shots fired! Shots fired!
Harley Quinn! She's using non-lethal glitter balls! Hey, stop right there!
Harley Quinn's taking us out one by one!
Well, genius, stop taking turns and group up then!
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly.
Well,
Yep.
We heard you know where Harley Quinn lives. Tell us where she is.
No, we'll give you lots and lots of money.
Oh, there you go.
No.
Okay, I guess we'll just go ask someone else kid.
okay, let's go bring back Harley Quinn and that diamond-stealing kid from the funhouse. Just gonna put my phone in my pocket so no private text messages jump out in the open while we
What are
drive.
you talking about?
Nothing. And we're off. And we're off.
There we go. Okay, so how should the movie ended? Come on, show us.
You don't think you can stand on your own, Quinn? You're not the type! You need me!
I'm the one they should be scared of. Not you, not Mr. Jim. Because I'm Harley Quinn.
No, because I'm Batman. I got you.
Come on! Let me go!
You're supposed to be Batgirl.
Yeah.
What is that?
Oops.
You obviously have a lot to learn.
Son of a crap nut. Harley! What happened? Batman just swooped in and took everything. Oh, come on! Are you serious? Well, this is Gotham City.
Yeah.
He was bound to show up sooner or
Yeah,
later.
why didn't he?
Really thought this time was gonna be different. Not the usual same old song and...
Hey,
Oh.
Oh no. But
what's up?
you look... different.
I know.
You look good.
Wanna get out of here? Get into some trouble?
I don't need you! Haven't you been paying attention? I got my girls now. Yeah, screw you, clown.
Whatever. I don't care.
Oh.
See ya.
Oh,
Yeah.
so mysterious in that rubble without a cause sort of way. I just can't resist it. But it's wait for me. Harley, no. Yeah, don't be stupid. I'm sorry, girls. He just looks like what I wanted the first time. So we're back together.
After the way he's treated you. Yeah, I thought you would have shot him in the nuts.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Oh, I never do that to my snookles. Besides, I was out of bullets.
Alright. I like that. That was fun. That was fun. Aw.
You ladies have a cafe too. That's cool.
Yep.
So anyways, your friend pooped out this diamond and said it belonged to you. So I thought I'd bring it over because, well,
Because you're Batman?
I was gonna say because it's gross. And I
Yeah.
don't want a nasty poop diamond. But sure, I am also Batman.
Yes.
I would wash that if I were you.
Thanks.
So, your rich parents were killed. And now you channel that rage to fight crime. I know what that's like. want to know my secret identity?
Do you know who I am?
I'm saying to you, want to know who I am. Okay, so cops in Gotham don't like you either. Do you want to know my secret?
Barking up the wrong tree there, bad boy.
Oh, okay.
Aw.
So, you have supersonic voice powers. I can make my voice sound different with technology. Do you want to know? So you struck out? What?
What do you think? Okay, so that was a lot of fun. Yeah, the movie, I have mixed feelings about it, honestly. It's a shame, but, you know, it happens. I thought this film was at least better than Suicide Squad, in some ways. I did like the actress who played Harley Quinn. I thought, okay, she's actually a lot of fun. But I don't know. I guess I still have some mixed feelings about their choice with Cassandra and how she's with Harley, and I thought she would become Batgirl. I don't know. I guess I'm still not over that. So that's it, guys. If you have a different opinion about this, leave some comments below. Let me know what you think. Hit the subscribe button, check out my Facebook page, check out her page, and also check out how Should Have Ended channel as well. Subscribe to their channel, keep up to date with videos. Also check out T3 Media's channel as well. Subscribe to their channel, keep up to date with their videos. And we'll see you next time to give you more love and more entertainment. So until then, guys, take care. See you next time.